Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mansur Abbasi, Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we have to teach mathematics, class 6. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the chapter number 8, and now we have a very few questions about the objective exercise. Question number 1. Part number 1. What is the sentence? Dear students, a group of the words that make a complete sense. That make a complete sense is called a sentence. Part number 2. What is open sentence? Open sentence means like this: x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here variable x have infinite values, but no exact value is defined here. So that's why when we have a different doubts in our mind for the given variable and no exact value we should have, then it is said to be the open sentence. Now it is the sentence that has one or more than one unknown. Means the variable x has one or more than one values that you can take. Might be right, might be wrong. So no exact decision we have here. After that, dear students, here, what is the open sentence? What is the value? What is the number that makes an open sentence true? What is the number which makes the open sentence true? Like that, here open sentence x plus 2. Which number makes the both sides same? Here if you take the minus 2, then plus 2 equals 0 and both sides will be 0. Then which number makes the both sides 0? Minus 2. Here if you plus minus 2 plus 2 it will be equal to the 0, and it means that the minus 2 will become solution. A number that makes an open sentence true is called the solution. After that, dear students, what is the value? All the alphabetical letters which are used, all the alphabetical letters which are used for any number, they are called the variable. A variable is a symbol, usually letter A, B, C and so on, that is used for a number. Now dear students, we have part number 5, define the evaluation. Evaluation means the solution or value. It is the process to find a value. Just if you have the x plus 2, the process which is used to find the value of x, just if you shift the plus 2 on other side, it will be minus 2. This process is called the evaluation. After that, dear students, we have the fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks that we have here. I'm going to start the reading from the page number, that is in video exercise or object exercise, page number 97. Dear students, in page number 97, question number 2, part number 1. Now, a dash can be either true or false. Now here, the statement can be true or false. The right answer is statement. A statement like this: x plus 2 is equal to 0. It may be true or it may be false. That's why it is called the open sentence. Now number 2, algebra is a base form of arithmetic. General. Algebra is a general form of arithmetic. We can can write the rightward general. After that, the multiplying value, just if we have no number, I think it is the 1. This multiplying number by the variable, we will call it coefficient. It is the coefficient. The essence of all, part number 5, the part of an algebraic expression, separated by the plus or minus are called dash. Just here, if I have the x square plus 2x plus 3, now this x square, this 2x and this 3, they are separated on the sign of plus or sign of minus, and each value we call term. So that's why here the values which are separated by the sign of plus or minus, we say term. Number 5 that we have to write here, the term of the same kind only differ by the coefficient. Just as 2x square, comma 5x square only differ by the coefficient, but they have the same base and same power. So that's why the terms of the same kind only differ by coefficient, but they have the same base and same power, are called the like terms. L-I-K-E, like terms. Dear students, now question number 3, same page. Question number 3 and same page, we have few multiple choice questions that are going to write here and read from the page. Take the correct answer. Question number 3. Take the correct answer. Dear students, he is saying in part number 1, in 4x square, 2 is known as dash. 2 is known as dash. Dear students, here 4 is the coefficient, x is the base, 2 is the power or exponent. So right answer is C. Right answer is C. We will take the C. That is the exponent. That is the exponent. Exponent. Number 2. Here we are giving, if we have the value of A equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to 1, then A square plus B square plus C square over 3 equal dash. Now dear students, here if I have A cube, B square plus C square divided by the 3. Now value of A 1 whole square, value of B minus 1 over whole square, value of C 1 whole square divided by 3. Dear students, here whole square of the 1 is 1. In case of the even power, means 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on, minus will be changed into the plus. So we will get the same 1, here also 1 and divided by the 3. Divided by the 3. Dear students, after that, if you write here the A square plus the B square plus C square. Now if you add all 3 over 3 and right answer will be equal to the 1. Like this. Distance here 1 whole square. After that minus 1 whole square. After that C 1 whole square. 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. It will be here 1. Minus we can convert it into the plus. Again 1. Again 1 whole square. 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 3. And divided by the 3. So its answer will be 1. So right answer in part number 2 we have the 1. Option number A. 1. We will take there. After that, dear students, we are in a question number 3. In part number 3 we are given here. Here we have in x plus 2, 2 is dash. 2 is known as dash. Now this is a variable and this 2 is called a constant. Right answer is constant and it is the option number B. We will pick the correct option. Dear students, in part number 4 I have a x square plus x square plus x equal dash. Now its answer is 2 bracket started x square plus x. And this is the option number C. We will take the C option. How it is taken? X square plus x square plus 1x. Here is also no number, but we will consider 1. Here 1 plus 1 and x square. Here 1 plus 1 and x. It will be 2x square and here will be 2x. Now this 2 is common. We will take the common. Remaining x square and x. So this is the right option. So dear students, now we have to start the question number 1. Today we have the exercise 9.1, chapter number 9. I will start the question number here. I will start the question 9.1 and question number 1 that is written here, part number 1. In part number 1, question number 1 and part number 1. The sum of the number and 8 is 12, is 14. Part number 1. The sum of a number and 8 is 14. Now this is the question that we have to start. This one's here in this position we have to start that. Now first of all we will start the here question. Think about the statement that we are given here. Here sum means plus. Number we don't know. And addition with 8 equal to 14. We will say let the number is x. Okay? The number is x. Now addition of x with 8. Sum of x with 8 is equal to 14. Now from given condition, that is sum means plus of a number is x. Sum means plus with 8 equal to 14. This is the answer. The students, after that I have a same question, part number 5. In part number 5, a number is decreased by 2. A number is decreased by 2 is 4. Dear students, here suppose the number is x. Number is x. Decrease means minus. Increase means plus. Decrease by 2 means minus 2. What is the number we have? Let the number, suppose number is x. Suppose number is x, decrease by 2 means minus 2. S means equal to 4. Now, here let the number is equal to x. According to decrease by 2, the number decreased by 2 means x minus 2. From given condition. What is the given condition? I have a number that is x, decreased by 2 means minus 2, equal to 4. Equal to 4. This is the answer. Now in the same way, I have a number 7. I have a number 7. And in number 7, twice of a number increased by 3. Twice of a number increased by 3. Increased by 3 is 70. Dear students, I told you, I write the solution here. Let the number is equal to x. Now increased by 3 means plus 3. Is means equal to 17. So I write according to given condition. According to given condition, the number is x. Increased by 3 means plus 3. Is equal to 17. Only we have to write the statement. We don't want to find any more thing. So dear students, I did the number 1, number 5, number 7, and these two are the homework for you. I hope you will do. Dear students, first of all, I did the bit information about the same questions, that what we have given here, because there are the maximum parts for your practice in this exercise. Just as in sum number 8, my age and my brother's age is 20 years. My age in sum number 8. My age and my brother's age. My brother's age is 20 by 18. Dear students, very easy. You will let suppose 2 times. Let's suppose my age is equal to x and my brother's age is y. Addition means plus. is equal to 20. So dear students, very easy. We will set let my age is equal to x years. My brother's age is equal to y years. Now, from the after adding both, what will be the answer? X plus y equal to 20. No need to write the years again here. Okay? You will write the algebraic statement only. So here, similarly, you have the sum number 10. The price of the 6th pen. Suppose pen is equal, price of 1 pen 1x. Price of 6 pen 6x. Price of 1 book y. Price of the again 6 book. Here he says that the price of the 6 pens is equal to the price of the 1 book. Suppose the price of the 1 pen 1x. Price of 6 pen equal to 6x. Price of 1 book equal to y. So that's why from condition 6x will be equal to y. Now dear students, today we have the question number. Here we have the question number. Similarly, question number 2. Solve the following and verify. Question number 2. Solve and verify. And verify means verification. 2 questions here. Just as I have a question number 1. In one question, first 2 plus 5x, 2 plus 5x is equal to x. There, first shift plus or minus. If you shift plus, it will be minus. If you shift minus, it will be plus. Then you will shift the divide. That will be multiply. In last, you will shift the multiply, and then it will be in a divide. This is these 3 rules you keep in mind. Keep in your mind. Particularly, first I will shift the plus or minus. Here is the no sign but plus, I will shift it here. And plus x I will shift here. If there is the sign of equality, then there will be a change. 5x, if I shift this one, it will become minus x. If I shift plus to another side, it will become minus 2. Here 5 minus 1, it will become 4x equal to minus 2. Now there is no division, but multiply. 5 is multiplying with the x. You will shift the 4 on other side. Then from multiply it will become divide. Or divide the both sides by 4. Here and here. 4 will be cancelled. X is equal to here 1 time, here 2 times, table of 2. And therefore x is equal to 1 over minus 2. Now this is the answer. Now even then, second part we are told for the verification. Now verification means this value of x we will put in a given question. Here 2 plus 5x is equal to x. Distance here 2 plus 5 multiply value of x, that is 1 over 2 but minus. Here is also minus 1 over 2 value of x. This will become 2 over 1 Plus into minus, it will become minus 5 over 2, and here minus 1 over 2. The LCM of the 1 and 2 make the same denominator. I will multiply here 2 up and down to make the denominator 2. So here 4 over 4, here 5 over 4 over 2, 5 over 2, and minus 1 over 2. LCM is 2. So here will be 4 minus 5 minus 4 over 5. Now this is plus 4. Remove the plus 4 from minus 5. We will get the 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 2. Now you see that both sides of the equation are same. So that's why solution set will be equal to minus 1 over 2. This is the answer. So dear students, all the sum you have to do by the same procedure, but we have to keep the very important tips in our mind. That we have the 4 binary operations, plus, minus. First we will shift the plus or minus on the other side of sign of equality. On the other side of the sign of equality, you will shift the plus, then it will be minus. Shift the minus, it will be plus. And after that, you will shift the divide, and the second step, it will be converted as multiply. If you shift the multiply, it will be changed into the divide. Just here we have only 2 operations. Shifting of the plus to another side, minus. And then shifting up plus here, it will become minus. 5 minus 1, it will become 4. Now here is the minus 2. Make here 1, divide both sides. You have to shift the 4. So divide both sides by the 4. Here it will become 1. Here it will become 2 1 time, and 2 on 4 2 times. Minus 1 over 2. Solution we will not write the solution. We will do the first verification. Place the value that we have find for x. You will write for x minus 1 over 2. Here minus into plus, it will be minus 5 by 2. Now make the same denominator here as 2. So multiply denominator and numerator by the same value 2. 2 times 4 and 1 2 times 2. And after that, take the LCM 2 and 2. It is the 2 LCM. Here will be direct 4 minus 5. Remove the plus 4 from the minus 5. Answer will be minus 1 over 2. So this is the answer. And we check that both sides are equal. For the all questions, dear students, you have to do the same pattern as I have done. Now, I again find as that in S compared, I did the one question here, and maximum questions, dear students, they are the same. Now, part number 5, that is here. In part number 5, I have the 12x equal to 30x. Only one function here. 4 binary operation, but dear students, here is the only one, that is only multiply. Here is the only multiply. I will shift the 12 on the other side. It will be changed from the multiply into the divide. So write the solution here. 12x equal to 30x. Divide both sides by 12. Here and here. Here 12 one time, here one time. Here 12 one time, and here 3 times. After that, x is equal to 3. Now this is the value of x. Now I will find the verification. Now verification, dear students, put the value for x. Write the question, 12x is equal to 36. Here if x is equal to 3. Now replace the x by its value 3. 12 multiply 3 equal to 36. Now 36 equal to 36. Both values are same. So that's why solution set is equal to 3. Dear students, by the same pattern, I did the number 5 here. Now in number 5, I think it is not included. But okay, it's for your practice. Number 6, let us do. number 6. In number 6 we have a divide. In number 6 we have only a divide. In divide number 6 here. In number 6 we are going to divide the value here. What the number 6 we have? We have a x over 6. X over 6 equal to 3. This is the question. Now dear students, here I will write the first of all. X over 6 equal to 3. I want to cancel the 6. 6 is dividing. On other side it will multiply. So multiply 6 on both sides here. For x cancellation. Here cancel. X is equal to 18. Now for the verification. Verification, it is the question. What the question? X over 6 equal to 3. Now x is equal to 18. Replace the x by x value 18. Here 18 over 6. 18 over 6 is equal to 3. 6 one time, here 3 times. 3 is equal to 3. Now these both sides are equal. So I will write the solution 6, that is equal to 18. This is the question. Now dear students, after 6 there is the 8th sum. What about the 8th sum? Number 8, very easy. We have only 2 values here. I want to find the number 8. In number 8, dear students, number 8, I have a 2y over 3 equal to minus 8. 2y over 3 equal to minus 8. Dear students, you have multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. I told you, you will do the first multiply or divide. You will do the first divide. We will has multiply and has divide. We will prefer the division first. We want to cancel the 3. And 3 is in a divide. So multiply 3 on both sides. For its cancellation. 3 multiplied by 2y over 3 equal minus 8 multiplied by 3. Here 3 one time, here 3 one time, here 2y is equal to minus 24. Now here 2 is multiplied, so for its cancellation, we will divide by the same number. Here also on the other side. Here 2 cancel, here 2 one time, here 12 times. So y is equal to minus 12. Dear students, for the verification, I write here verification and write the question, that is the 2y over 3 equal to minus 18. I will here if y is equal to minus 12. Dear students, replace the y by its value minus 12. You will multiply by minus 12 divided by 3. Here minus 18. Now is it possible cancellation of 3 with any number in the numerator? Yes. 3 one time here, 3 4 times. Here 12. 2 here 3 times. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So, dear students, after that, here 12, here is the 8. Now, 3 one time and 3 on 12, 4 times. Minus is here, minus 4 multiplied to minus 8 is equal to minus 8. So, dear students, we got the same value on both sides. Solution is equal to minus 8. After verification, we have to write the solution. That is done here. Now, after all, we are in question number 10. Dear students, in question number 10, we have many values. In question number 10, have any value. So maximum part I want to do for you. So inshallah you will do it here. For 10 I am showing you, I am explaining few steps. Rest of the steps you have to do here. For 10, dear students, first of all, n plus 1 plus 2n plus 5 is equal to 0. Here n, 1n plus 2n, 3n, and here 1 plus 5, 6 equal to 0. 3n equal to minus 6. Now, to cancel the 3, that is in a multiply, divide 3 on both sides. Here, 3 cancel, here 1 time, here 2 time. M is equal to minus 2. Dear students, for the verification, you can take the same question as here. You can also take this question, no problem. You can take the 3n plus 6 is equal to 0. If n is equal to minus 2, you will multiply 3 by minus 2, value of n here. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. They are cancelled and 0 equal to 0. So solution set is equal to minus 2. Dear students, now this was the solution of the part number 10. Now I will do the very important part for you, and remaining sums are just the same. Okay, 12 number sum this is homework, and 12 sum I am going to do for you here. 12 number, sum number 12, because it is in a fraction. Here x over 2, 3x over 2, here x over 2, here 5x over 2 is equal to 25. Dear students, one thing that you keep in mind, x over 2 plus 3x over 2 plus 1 x over 2 plus 5x over 2. The one thing that I want to share with you immediate basis here, there is no number 1. Here is 1 here. And one thing that LCM will be same, that is the 2. That is 2. We will write LCM same here. No equal. I will write the LCM same. Here 1x, here 3x, here 1x, here 5x is equal to 25. Now here 1, 3, 4, 5, and after that it will become 10x divided by 2 equal to 25. 2 cancel by 2 one time, 2 will cancel the 10 5 times. So here 5x is equal to 25. Dear students, here is 5 and it is multiplying with x. So that's why I will divide the multiplying 5 on both sides. Here for its cancellation. Here 1 time, here 1 time, here 1 time, here 5 times. So x I got the 5. And for its verification, now it's okay. I have here what the x over 2, 3x over 2, x over 2, and 5x over 2 is equal to 25. Is equal to 25. Dear students, let us see here 25. Now here is the 25. If I see x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, I replace the x 5 over 2, here 3 multiplied by 5 over 2, here 5 over 2, here 5 into 5 over 2, here 25. Dear students, this will be 5 over 2, here 15 over 2, here 5 over 2, here 25 over 2 is equal to 25. So dear students, here I will get 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 25, and here LCM will be same, that is 25. Now here 25, this is also 25. 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 25, 25. So answer will be here 50 over 2 is equal to 25. Here 1 time, 2 time, 4 1 bring to the 0 here 10. So 5 times. So dear students, it is the 25 equal to 25. Both answers are got same. So solution set is equal to 5. So dear students, this was the question number 12. By the same way, you have to do the question number 15. By the same, I am going to do the question number 16 now. 16. And rest of the questions. Which questions I leave? I think I have homework for you. Yes, students, because you need also the practice. If you need the practice, means you will make yourself perfect for the mathematics. I am doing that here part number 15 is homework for you. This is homework. I did this one also this one. Now I am going to do the 16 part number 16. Dear students, here in part number 16, I have a question part number 16. Statement 6a minus 4. Here 2a plus 2. And that is equal to 2. And if there is no number, you will think 1. You will think 1. Okay, if here like this. Now this is the 2a. And you know this value is dividing. On other side it will multiply. How? I write here solution 6a minus 4. It is equal to 2 times it will multiply with here 2a plus 2. Dear students, this whole denominator is dividing. On the other side it will multiply by the 2. Here 6a minus 4. 2 2s are 4a plus again 2 2s are 4. Dear students, I will shift this 4 here and from plus it will become minus. Minus 4 I will shift on the other side. From minus it will become the plus. Here 6a minus 4a. 4 plus 4. Here 2a is equal to 8. Now this 2 is multiplying. So make it 1. I will divide it on both sides. Here 2, here 2. Here 1 time, here 1 time, here 1 time, here and 4 times. So a is equal to 4. I got the a 4. Now let us do the verification. What about the verification? We have the question, same question. 6a minus 4 divided by 2a plus 2 is equal to 2. Dear students, here if a is equal to 4, I will multiply 6 by 4 minus 4, then 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 is equal to here 2. Right? Now this will become 24. I write here 24 minus 4. Again here 2 4 times 8. I write 8 here plus 2. It is equal to 2. Dear students, here 24 minus 4. After minus of the 24, minus of 4 from 24, we will get the 20. Divided to 8 plus 2, 10. Here 2. Now 10 1 time and here 2 times. 2 is equal to 2. So solution set is equal to here 4. So dear students, this is the one number 16. Now 18 is for you. 18 is for you. And now I want to do the here 3.1 sum I can do only for you. That is here. I want to do one sum. 22. Dear students, here. Now let us see. I want to do the sum number. You have this sum 18 and 19. You have the homework. 17 also. 17, 18. You will do yourself. I am going to do the only last part. 21. 21 part. 3x minus 1.5. Here 0.9x, 0.9 only, minus 1.5x equal to 0. Let's just simple. I will shift this whole value on the other side. It will be 3x minus 1.5, 0 multiplied by 0.9 and minus 1.5. Now multiplication here, 3x minus 1.5, it is equal to 0 multiplied by this 0 multiplied by again this one 0. So 3x minus 1.5, I got 0. I remove 15 on the other side. 3x is equal to, from minus it will become plus. No need to write the plus. No need to write the plus. X will be equal to 1.5 divided by 3. Okay. Now you can write, if you remove the point here, you know that here if you remove the point, I will place the 0 here. Okay. Now 15 one time and here 2 times. It is 1 over 2. Now 1 over 2. I will place here 1 over 2 for here for the verification. 1 over 2 or 0.5, it is same thing. Here for verification, I am going for the verification. What is the verification here? I have this same thing. Well, you can verify in this sum also. Just 3x minus 1.5. Okay, and 3x minus 1.5, and it is equal to 0. This equation you can also take. Now if here you can say, if here x is equal to 1 over 2, x is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5 or 0.5, no problem, or 0.5. Now 3 multiply 0.5 minus 1.5 equal to 0. Now you can write here 0.5 multiplied by 3, 3 5 times 15, 3 1 times 3, 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. Point is after 1 number, after 1 number. You place the after 1 number point here. So you will get 1.5 minus 1.5 equal to 0. They are cancelled. So 0 equal to 0. Solution set will become 1 over 2 or 0.5. No problem. This is the solution. Now dear students, this was the question for number this one, and inshallah hope that you will do it very carefully. And one part in part number 17, 18 and 19, there is the same thing. Shift the constant and after that 0.1 will be shifted here. Okay. Now just as 0.9x is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3, you will shift, it will become 18. It will become 18. Dear students, it is very easy sign. Don't worry about that it is a difficult sum, but you have to be here careful. 0.9 x minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, you will shift this minus. 0.9 x is equal to 6 plus 3. Now 0.9 x it will be equal to 18. Now this 0.9 shift on the other side, it will be converted into 0.9 in the point. Remove point, write 0 here. It is 180 divided by 9. 9 one time here, 2 times, 0 same, means 20. Again 20 you will plus here and get the answer on both sides same. Now similarly 19 and also 20. Now dear students, this is the lecture number. I did the lecture number, this is the lecture number, I told you 39. This was a lecture number 39 lecture. So inshallah in 40 lecture we will meet again. Wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.